Darling Edgar, thank you very, very much. Pasensya na kung medyo tinagdagan namin yung kanta. We respect the program and nag-enjoy na kami masyado. Thank you very, very much. Salamat again sa kanilang launch ng Next Generation Tama Raw. At salamat talaga again sa inyo.